Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Are you not getting good results from Claude? Then the problem is your prompt, and I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Claude gives better answers when your prompt is clear and specific, so let's learn the simple formula. Bad prompt is something like write something about a specific topic. A good prompt is when you say write a 3-minute YouTube script about AI tools for beginners, let's say. So you got to always define the topic, the format, and length. Then tell Claude how to organize the output as well, such as include hook, intro, 3 main points, and outro. This gives you clean, ready-to-use content. You can control how it sounds, ask Claude to make it engaging and simple, or write in a professional tone. And the more context you give, the better the results will be. Claude will tailor the answer for your audience regarding the context that you give. And don't stop at one result. You can ask to make it shorter, make it more engaging, and also add examples. This is how you improve quality. So use this simple formula, task plus details plus format and tone. And that was basically how you can create powerful prompts in Claude AI. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.